Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add the Grow a Garden Notifier bot to your Discord server. Step 1. Visit the official Grow a Garden bot link or find it on a verified bot directory like top.gg. In this case, we visited the unofficial Grow a Garden bot link. Step 2. Click the invite or add to server. Step 3. Log into your Discord account if you are not already logged in. Step 4. Select the server that you want to add the bot to and then click Continue. Grant necessary permissions, that is usually message reading, sending, and notifications, so click Authorize. Step 6. Complete the CAPTCHA verification if prompted. And that's it. Go back to your server. The bot should appear in your member list and use dash help or dash notify to configure garden alerts, item sales, or crop timers. This bot helps you stay updated on in-game events, harvests, times, and more. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.